Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play the song Hot Blooded by Foreigner. It's a really nice bar chord rock song with some distortion in it. It's mostly bar chords. If you're getting familiar with bar chords, this would be a good practice for you. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? So to begin with, I think Foreigner had two guitar players playing this. There's a very prominent G chord chugging in the back, and these chords aren't a G chord. So the way I do it is I just kind of I'm chugging on my E string here while I play these next two chords. So it doesn't have as full of a sound as when Foreigner's playing it because I don't have that in the background. But anyway, I'll show you the chords here. So it's going to be mostly on this third fret here. You just bar the third fret and then put these two fingers on the fifth fret of the A and the D to make this G chord. That's what's going on in the background. And then the first little chord change is this. So I'm alternating, picking on this. If you can't do that, just I think that's what the other guitar player is playing. So you're going to have this G chord. You're going to take these two fingers and you're going to move them down here on the D string and the G. Put your second finger on the fourth fret of the G string. Then lay this finger across the D, G, and the B string. And you take your pinky and you put it down here on the B string on the 6th fret, okay? And you slide everything up 2 frets to the 5th and the 7th fret, and you go. So you have the same chord pattern as you did up here, and you just move it up to 5 and 7. With your pinky on the 8th fret. So that's the part where he's singing Hot Blood. That's the chorus, right? So this is the verse. You're going to bar the 3rd fret here. And the first chord is just going to be this G chord. And I only play the top 3 strings. Then I uppick the B and the E on the 3rd fret here. If you can see that. All right, then I take my 3rd finger and I put it on the 5th fret of the G string. And I put my pinky down here on the B string on the 6th fret. I go from that to this. This is just a C chord. I still barred on the 3rd and on the 5th fret on the D and the G string. And he's hitting all 6 strings with these second chords. That's what gives it that big, fat sound, okay? It goes. That's the next 2 chords. So you're gonna be on the A string, on the 3rd fret, D and G on the 5th fret. You're gonna slide that up 2 frets to a D chord and slide it back down to a C. All right. So from there, you're going to do this F chord. It's going to be that same chord pattern, but down here on 8 and 10. And this is a C chord. This is the 8th fret on the E, the 10th fret on the D, and the A string. The second time, you're going to hit an E chord. All that is that same chord pattern, but on the 7th fret here. Okay, so you're going to do this 4 times. The first time it goes like this. F, C, E, C, C, F, C, F, C, F, and then the C chord is up here on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to end up on the G chord. When he goes back to that G chord, the first time around he skips this part. He just hits the G and lets it kind of ring, and plays the second chord in that little. So that's the pieces and parts to that song. There's also a little guitar solo in it, but I didn't transcribe that because I don't really like transcribing guitar solos because everybody plays them different. But it's a great song if you're learning bar chords especially. And I hope you like this video. Hope you like the song. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So have a great day.